map shows Hindu culture has traveled far beyond India through the movement of Indian people around the world. As Indians left their homeland to work, study, places like Saudi Arabia, Russia, Indonesia, and China. And many countries they brought their tradition, beliefs with them. Because of this, Hinduism did not stay only in India, to grow and become part of different communities across Asia.
The map reminds us that wherever Indians go, they carry a piece of hope with them. Their festivals, prayer, values, and way of life help keep Hinduism alive even when they are far from India. It's a visual story of how culture moves with people and continues to connect them back to the roots. That's all! Bye-bye!